In this video, I'm going to show you a coin trick where I'm going to take a coin and make it pass through a solid table. Here's the performance of the trick. I take a coin and try to push it through the table, and nothing happens. But on the second time, when I try to push it, it passes through the table onto my other hand. There are two factors involved in doing this trick. The first one is sleight of hand, which is the basic part of this magic trick. And the second one is the science of sound, which takes this trick to the next level. Now, in order to do this trick, I hold the coin in such a way that it is hidden behind my fingers. After that, I strike the coin on the tabletop and drop it. Now, this action does two things. Number one is making the spectators habituated with the visual that when I hold a coin, it naturally stays behind my fingers. And number two is making the spectators hear the sound of the coin striking at that very moment. So subconsciously, this striking sound gets into their head. And since after doing this I dropped the coin, I now move on to the sleight of hand part, where I slide the coin off the table surface to grab it. But in reality, I drop it onto my other hand while pretending to grab it. Now, since the spectators have already seen that that is how I hold the coin, they don't suspect that the hand is empty. Now, as I strike my empty hand on top of the table, I strike the bottom surface with the coin, synchronizing it with the top hand, and then press the coin flat while flattening my hand at the same time. Now, when I move my top hand, the coin is already gone, and then I bring out my other hand from below the table with the coin on my palm, making it look like that the coin passed through the table to my other hand. And that is how this entire trick is done.